The Garmin Rally RS200 Pedals boast an intuitive design that allows for easy installation and quick transfers between different bikes, making them ideal for cyclists with multiple setups. These pedals feature advanced dual sensing technology to accurately track power, cadence, and left-right balance, providing detailed insights to enhance training and racing performance. Seamless integration with the Garmin ecosystem ensures that the Rally RS200 offers effortless software updates and connectivity with Garmin watches and edge cycling computers. Users can elevate their post-ride analysis with the Rally RS200 as it syncs effortlessly with Garmin Connect and Strava for comprehensive data analysis and route planning. The inclusion of protective cleat covers helps prevent damage when walking on hard surfaces, reducing the risk of slipping out of the pedals while cycling. Weighing only 328 grams, these pedals are a lightweight option without compromising on durability and functionality.